Yeah, this is Anthony Brogdon in the production meeting. And on the wall there is a screen of the budget cost and the director and the cameraman. And
the first AD should be breaking down the script and getting that schedule and stuff together. And then all the rest of the people can do their pre-production work in January. You had a cast and start doing rehearsals, a couple weeks of rehearsal, and then we set the shooting day. I mean, you're talking about your editing, you're talking about your sound, your sound person that got to do all the sound. You're talking about your music scoring, the sound effects, the Foley, your color correction. You got all that needs to happen. So just putting it together is one thing. That's just pictorial.
Sure.
But then you got all the other stuff. Then it
Sure.
needs to be mastered. You know what I'm saying? So
Sure.
everything can be properly leveled.
Sure.
And then then it should be ready. And then if you talking about the distribution, you need closed captioning. You need a whole bunch of deliverables that your distributor is going to want.
Sure.
That the editor needs to, kick out. A different size. Files and all that stuff.
So then we're talking maybe a completed project.
Speaking of that, Anthony, you can have an editor on each day of production assembling the edit as we complete the days.
Right.
So
I thought of that.
yeah, that has been done.
Yeah, sure.
Obviously, it won't be me, but
Sure.
and then at that point, if you do hire an assistant editor, probably it should be me, right? Probably should be that guy or girl.
All right.
You know.
Okay. Foot soldiers. We coming at you.